Are there reports for stats on days like FOMC, non-farm payroll, et cetera, et cetera?
Actually, we have an FOMC report. So I'm looking at the average results sub-report here. But what this does, every single day of FOMC in the last 6 months, so even if we go back, let's just do a year because there aren't too many FOMC days here. Every day of FOMC, and it breaks it out into 15-minute increments. And what you can see here, what I'm starting out with is the positive initial reaction. This means that we're taking the 2 p.m. candle on the 15-minute time frame. If that's green, that gets grouped into this bucket, this positive initial reaction. If that 15-minute candle is red, that gets put into the negative initial reaction bucket. So we're separating the 2 days into positive and negative initial reactions. What you'll notice specifically on NQ in the last year is that if that 2 p.m. candle is green, typically you're going to see some continuation until Powell is done speaking. But the inverse seems to be true for the negative reactions. So, but in this case, you can see that at 2 p.m. when the decision comes out, for all the days where price fell, by the time Powell starts to come out, there will be a bounce. So there's a different expectation for an FOMC day when the initial reaction was positive versus negative. But in this case, this is what you can use as kind of a guideline. Let me wait for the first 15 minutes from 2 to 2:15. If that candle is green, my expectation for the next hour or so is going to be bullish.